Hi, Annette. I'm Nick. You talked with Marcy on Thursday, and this is your complimentary website audit. I'm familiar with your organization. I've lived in Phoenix for a while. You've got a good opportunity here. I hope you and Joshua can just watch the video very quickly. What I'm going to show you is 3 or 4 things that you could do yourselves to get more website visitors, thus more business, right? And also compare you to one of the competitors and show you how you can do that a little more successfully. So let's start out. Here's your site, looking at it. Something I want to tell you right away. See your phone number up here? It doesn't allow me to click to call it. You'll want to set that up, especially when people are looking at your site on their cell phone. It just makes it easier to contact, as well as keeping this piece with the phone number and probably even the tabs at the top rather than they scroll away, right? See the image of the vehicles here? Google reads content, and you want at least 2,000 words on the home page. That makes you a subject matter expert. If you think about it, when someone's looking for mold remediation, let's say in Phoenix, they're going to look for the most trustworthy company that comes up first, which is typically on the first page. So the content positions you as a subject matter expert. Although someone may not read it all, it's going to lead to you being found more often for keywords. Now, images. Google doesn't do anything about images except for they read what you name them. And right here, you've got this one named cars. It doesn't help because it's not a keyword, right? So let's continue. And what I want to show you next is kind of the mechanics of what you've got going. This is a tool called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see what people have going on as far as backlinks and keywords. So let's explain backlinks. You have a lot of them, but they're not doing anything. And I'll explain to you why. Backlinks are links from other credible websites back to your site, kind of endorsing, your web page. You've got over 3,000, which is crazy because you've only got 3 keywords that you're going after. So in your case, the backlinks don't matter. They're not doing their job. But if I click on these keywords, what have we got? We've got mold removal, Gilbert, Arizona. You're in the 10th position there, so you're not even getting anyone at all. Typically, if you're in the first position, you can be at 30 to 40%, second position about 20%. So this is not a good example because there's not a lot of volume here, but I want to show you something, Annette, Joshua, if you're looking. So here's this 10. That means 10 people looked at it last month. This KD is a keyword difficulty, 0 to 100. Typically under 10 is very, very easy. So, there should be no reason that you're not ranking for this. But next step, I type in mold removal, Phoenix, Arizona, right? This piece here is called the map pack or Google map pack. Calls come through here, right? Because you even see it before the organic search. However, you're not here because you need something called citations. It's your name, address, phone, in various directories throughout the web. But let's go down. More importantly, what have we got? Precision mold removal. They come up fairly quickly, right? For this word, let's look at them. Looking at their site, a little more, how do I say it? Better images, layout, etc. That's not as important though as, oh, see, here's their click to call. See how it works? Not as important as looking behind the scenes. So let's look at theirs. 21 backlinks. Nowhere near as good as many as yours, but they're better backlinks. You see, they've got 22 keywords and they're getting 30 people coming to their site last month. If we looked at yours again, I don't think you had any traffic from your site. No. So let's take a look at their keywords. And this is where we can implement something called a copycat method to see their keywords and then take those same keywords, like here's one, mold inspector Phoenix, let's say, or mold remediation Phoenix, and put those words into our backlinks, weave them into our content in a proper way. So right here, mold removal Phoenix, 50 volume, difficulty only 4, pretty easy. They're in the first position. And so what are they getting? They're getting 40% of all the searches hitting their site. And as you can see, it kind of continues down the way. Lastly, we're just going to wrap up. Okay, Annette, Joshua, if you're there, here's the recap. 2,000 plus words on the homepage, right? Very good content, keyword content. 1,000 words on the inner pages. This is the first step that's going to help you get found when people are searching. We talked about backlinks. You have a lot of them, but those aren't the right backlinks. We need credible backlinks from other sources that are typically in the same niche and then contain keywords in those backlinks like mold removal, Phoenix, Arizona. Last part, we talked about citations, right? So this is what we want to look at. Also, quickly, easy for you to do, rename the images to keywords, right? And change that phone number so it's a click to call. I will reach out to you next week. I'm more than happy to help you if you want to outsource it. But this is a very, very good way to start to scale your business without doing ads, without doing Home Advisor, so that when people, buyer intent people are looking, you're being found. All right. Hey, thanks, guys. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon.